Hey guys, Brian Sullivan, founder of Precise Selling with your weekly video tip. Now, I have some really good news for you. Election season's almost over, which means you won't have to turn the TV on and listen to a bunch of people slamming each other. My gosh, you can't put the TV on without walking away feel grumpy and negative. I'm so sick of the negativity, and after next Tuesday, I hope it just leaves me. Now, I like to compare everything to sales. My wife says I have a sickness among my many sicknesses. There's some really bad salespeople out there called politicians. Now, they're not only really bad presenters because they don't practice it enough, but also their messaging is really, really bad. What do I mean? Well, let's all agree that there's so much negativity that comes out of this message, all of these messages, and they're not real smart because what they don't realize is only probably half the population is motivated by negativity, fear, and pain. Yet every message they deliver is all about fear, negativity, and pain. They're trying to scare the heck out of you. Hey, we might not be good, but at least we're not as bad as the other guys. What kind of message is that? Think about it. Would you ever turn on a Zoom camera if you got 5 prospects looking at you? And would you ever start a presentation by saying, hey, I want to let you know that, boy, there's a lot of risk if you go with my competitor. You know, my gosh, it's dangerous. Not only will they cost you a lot of time, but, inefficiency and boy, they cost a lot more than us. You wouldn't do that. It'd be a horrible presentation. But these jokers don't get that. Rather than just motivate by fear in a presentation, you have to talk about the great things, the value that people get out of partnering with you. And so this week's lesson is remove any negativity from your presentations. Certainly don't ever talk about the competition by name. Spend very little, if any, time slamming them, and spend all the time talking about the value, benefits, and joy that prospects will get by partnering with you. If our politicians knew this and had better messaging and were better presenters, maybe I'd put that TV on and I wouldn't be so grumpy. Yet, they may still get my vote by telling me, they're pretty good. They can make me happier. So don't be a politician. Just make sure you come back next week for your Precise Selling tip.